Welcome. In front of me is a RUGONE Xever 7 Pro, and today I will show you how you can boot this device into Fastboot mode. So to get started, you will want to turn off your device, and you can do so by just pressing the power button and volume up at the same time, and then select shut down from the options. Now when the device turns off, which is right about now, you want to hold power button and volume up. And when you feel vibration, let go of just the power button. This will take us to the bootloader first. In here, using only volume up, you can navigate through the three options that we have. And there's two different ways you can enter Fastboot mode. One is actually in this page right here, which is the middle option, if I remember correctly. I'm just, need to literally look at this close because this text is, as you can see, pretty damn small. So right now it's actually selected Fastboot mode. You can see that arrow right here. So that is indicating what's selected. And if it's not selected for you, just press volume up a couple of times till it basically is. Should be in the middle. And when it is, you can press volume down to confirm it. Now, this is one way of entering Fastboot mode, and I'm actually not going to confirm it just because it would require me to reboot the device by holding power button and volume down at the same time. And I still want to show you the second one. So for the second one, we're going to actually select the first option, which is recovery mode. Confirm that with volume down. So the same thing, we're just selecting different option. And this will take us to the recovery mode, in which we have a secondary Fastboot mode that will look different. So here, in this mode, we can actually use both volume buttons to navigate, which volume down now actually navigates down. So with that in mind, we can go to Fastboot mode. You can see right here. Press power button to confirm it. And here is our Fastboot mode, at least the second one. And in here, again, just like before, we can use volume buttons to navigate and power button to confirm. And in here, we have Reboot System Now option, which will bring us back to the Android. We have Enter Recovery Mode, which will bring us to the previous page that we've seen. Bootloader, which is the first thing we've seen after turning off the device. And we can also turn off the phone. So actually, while I'm here, I am going to navigate to the bootloader. Confirm that. The reason I'm doing that is because now I can actually show you the other Fastboot mode. So it looks like the bootloader actually takes me straight to the secondary Fastboot mode for some reason. So, I'm going to bring it close. Like really close. You just try to keep it steady. So there we go, you can see at the bottom. Fastboot mode. So this is the second one. This is the one you can also enter from the actual bootloader, which I told you about. And that's how it would look like. Now, to leave this one, considering it doesn't have any kind of menu, you would hold power button and volume down at the same time. And let go of both of these buttons immediately when the screen turns off. And there we go. So, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.